never, and me hear them a say, about say, Masicka the next king and Alkaline are the next king. Oh no, stink. The next king is little Addy and little Vybz. And if I could then come to a musician, him can battle feet with him little brother them. You know, stink. You never see a king a give him crown to a neck to somebody outside of him family when him have sons. You never see a king give him crown and him throne to people outside of him family. You know, stink when him have sons were capable of wearing the crown, cause them have do music, them have way more hit song from my baby.
Pussy them want to be down in the mass. Greatness and running on me blood. I sit a shower like a flood. Greatness and running on me blood.
I know you gonna fly on the pigeon, you see. You see. You got me right now, ambition, you see. The mission, you see. You see. Yo, for my family. Yeah, I think him thief last song there, you know. I believe him thief last song there, cause them time them I work frivolously in the studio, very hard. But they are every studio, all about, island wide. And me hear somebody with that song them. Remember when him drop this, you know, I say, who for song that sound like again? I'm a know say it wasn't his because I was in the studio with a person who had sing a song similar to that. With the sip, him put the sip on every ending. You see, no, ambition, you see, you see. That the youth though. And it look like Masicka thief it, or the youth good sell him it, and him not pay for it yet. Hopefully him pay for it, you see it. Who see get crowned a king of dancehall? Who the people them say is the king of dancehall? Kartel, right? So guess what go on now? May I tell you who is waiting for his downfall? The Masicka and the Alkaline them. You notice say, watch this, I'ma show you say them are wait for him downfall. Remember, you know, say Beanie Man was king for many years, you know. Beanie a king for nearly 20 years, you know. Nobody never won the kingship. Nobody never won the kingship from Beanie. You see, as anything we Kartel have, the bad mind, satanic, demonic people, them want it. I tell you no, say, Kartel are the core of goodness and godness. You see what I say? Anything him have, them want it. When Beanie have it, nobody no want it. You know see it? But now everybody want it because Kartel have it. I woke up this morning, was born in Kingston and leaving Jamaica abroad, not to England. This is my page, and the first post here you see in. Look a nigga stop talk. Pussy them a keep a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a keep a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Excellent process. Yeah. One bag of money. Yard one a foreign. Can't team some stay same way like me daddy. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. We advance academically and professionally, extraterrestrially and even medically. Sell we to everybody, take the molly, superfragically, PSPally, sexually, get the dolly ben reality. In every alley, genitally make Beverly see. Up I do nally, then be clearing that them off me. No go tell Rivali, anti-valley no mediocrity. Black magic, watch fraud. Get a black puss with a black dog. A mad sus, when mad dog. I de left a bad push with the cash card. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dogs them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Yes, that's right there. You see me? Tough a lie, bad. Yeah, my people, yo, we see them drop that post here upon quest time, you see me? Upon quest time. And the reason this wasn't planned, because me have other videos currently I edit right now, but me just have to rush through this right now. Because me realize say you need help to learn how to read the signs and the wonders of the time. You see me? Because we see quest time go post this now, my people, see? We see quest time go post this. Alright. After quest time post this now. Them caption it. Zin. I say, look what the caption say. You can read? Tell me what the caption say. Me I beg you tell me what the caption say. What the caption say. Alright. You hear what you say? You hear what you adapt it say for real. It say when they're waiting on your downfall, but you the goat. Right? You hear what it caption say the rest of you know? You tell me what it say. Yeah, that it say. May I say it again? Make sure you not pay attention. It say, when they're waiting on your downfall, but you're the goat. Or you the goat. You know what I mean? And guess what going on now? Everybody in the comment really, like most people, because I not really run through it, but I see say quite a few people I read this wrong, them interpret it wrong, because they don't know how to read the sign of the universe and the time and what things are telling. You get me? And wait a sec. So watch this now. People are say a mosquito the goat. Them all are show him chain and them thing there. You see me? I say him are the goat because it match the goat on. Zin? But watch this. Let me show you something. And then guess what go on now? Guess what? That's one reason why them say him are the goat. Zin? And then through him song a playing in the background. You hear that?
Pussy them want to be down in the mass. Greatness and running on me blood. I sit a shower like a flood. Greatness and running on me blood.
And the eagle fly on the pigeon, you see. You see. You got me right now, ambition, you see. The mission, you see. You see. Yo, for my family. Yeah, I think him thief last song there, no. I believe him thief last song there, because them time them I work frivolously in the studio, very hard. But they are every studio, all about, island wide. And I hear somebody with that song them. Remember when him drop this, I say, who for song that sound like again? I'm a know say it wasn't his, because I was in the studio with a person who had sing a song similar to that. With the sip, him put the sip on every ending. You see, no, ambition, you see. You see. That the youth though. And it look like mosquito thief it, or the youth goodly sell him it, and him not pay for it yet. Hopefully him pay for it, you see it. So through the song I play, make them say a mosquito song, you see it.
Team moment days not the same. Make you while the sunshine and sleep not the rain. Brother man, you tell them I can pay for we pay and
alright, I mean for say, just through them hear the song, them actually think say the post goes for him, or is referring to mosquito being the goat. But him can't be a crocodile and a goat at the same time, plus a mosquito. Him can't. That is why that alone kill him. Because him don't label himself as an animal. Right? Him already label himself as an animal. So him can't change or shape shift from a reptile to a goat. Him have to transform to a lizard. Him can't say him are the lizard. Zin? Because him a reptile. So, Zin? So like how him a crocodile, we don't give him crocs and recognize him as a crocs. Zin? So him can't say him a goat. That alone the universe a show you say, him never set out on the journey to become the goat. You understand? His life and destiny is not on the journey to become the goat. Because him don't say him are the crocs. You see what I say? Kartel never say him are no animal boy. Yeah. You get what I say? So therefore, him is the one is the goat. I mean, I show you how the universe I show you say him is the goat. Then, so what you know? It said when they're waiting on your downfall, but you the goat. Who have the king? Who is the king? Who have the crown? Who have the throne? Who was to get crown a king of dancehall? Who the people them say is the king of dancehall? Kartel, right? So guess what going on now? May I tell you who is waiting for his downfall? The Masicka and the Alkaline them. You notice say, watch this, let me show you say them are waiting for him downfall. Remember, you know, say Beanie Man was king for many years, you know. Beanie a king for nearly 20 years, you know. Nobody never won the kingship. Nobody never won the kingship from Beanie. You see, as anything we cartel have, the bad mind, satanic, demonic people, them want it. I tell you no, say, cartel at the core of goodness and godness. You see me I say? Anything him have, them want it. When Beanie have it, nobody no want it. You know see it. But now everybody want it because cartel have it. You see me I show you? Nobody never want it. The man influential body, you know, till all the bad, ugly, evil people them, the bad people them will forget dash way. Zine, them want run down everything him have. Because a God give Vybz Kartel them thing that because him work hard for it. And Jah no like nobody we lazy. The Bible tell you that. And Masicka, how much song Masicka drop from the year start? Him lazy. How much song Kartel drop from the year start? Him don't lazy. You see what I say? Him don't lazy. First of all, Alkaline, all of them songs that were Alkaline drop since year, are from last year him do them. Zine? So him not do all of them project that this year. Kartel do way more new project because from the year start, the man said 2026. That song they never plan. Him do it on the spot. And him start to be a song on the spot. Him a work the hardest. That's why Uno, Jah nah go do no him powers. Jah will never. And me hear them a say, about say, Masicka the next king and Alkaline are the next king. Oh no, stink. The next king is little Addy and little Vybz. And if I could then come to a musician, him can battle feet with him little brother them. You know, stink. You never see a king a give him crown to a neck to somebody outside of him family when him have sons. You never see a king give him crown and him throne to people outside of him family. You know, stink when him have sons who are capable of wearing the crown, because them have the music, them have way more hit song from my baby. How much I know have which pitney boy ya Jamaica where in the music business find so much hit song like Little Vybz and Little Addy from them a baby. And them are the next king. Cause it a hand down to them. You know, fool no thought about Alkaline and Masicka next king. Them if them want be next king, make them come accomplish, make them pass, make them surpass Vybz Kartel accomplishment. Zine, in majority, them have to breed more girl than him. Zine, that have for one, them have to breed more girl than him. And a Tommy Lee would have to get it, because Tommy Lee have the most pitney. Leroy, big up yourself. Zine, Leroy, him have whole heap of pitney, forget the crown. But watch you now, you have to go prove yourself as business, blood clot enterprises. You have to go prove yourself as top gyalis. Zine, I will know say Masicka no top gyalis. We know that. If you don't know that, you know in a dancehall. If you think say Masicka is a top gyalis, then you know in a dancehall. You know for talk about dancehall. You get what I say? Alright, what else? Them can't test cartel. Them have to go prison and sell blood clot gold too. I want to you. And come out sane and forward out with them teeth even clean and well decent, same way. And I move upright. You see me on a bright. So you see, say Kartel set out on the part. Masicka part never set out to become no goat, because him done set for be a crux. You get me? I say a snake, a reptilian. You see me? Him will change him skin, but him can't change him form. Because a leopard can never change its spot. You see me? See there, Kartel this. Vybz Kartel, a him of the crown, a him the highest. And why him the highest? See the sky there? Vybz Kartel the highest because he is the highest paid artist. So that is where the highest are. So you have to learn to read the universe. And I teach, I open and learn, take out jot notes, jot them down in our notepad and get a pencil and pen and utensil. You get what I say? So Vybz Kartel are the highest because he's the highest paid artist. You see me? Yeah. At the mountain goat them this. This is how them live. You see me? It's sad to say some of them do fall off, you know. You get me? I say I don't know why them end up live up there, but I believe say probably throughout history something chase them up there and they force themselves to climb. Because this are some serious shit. Probably in the future, me I go prophesy from now, say in the future, you go have mankind I do them thing there too. Man, if them not destroy the mountain them, and God not forward for him world yet, man, I go live like mountain goat on the side of them mountain there. Believe me, no cap. You see me? Yo, you know what? Me could get back, me could get into the comments them. I want to see what the comments them are say. So me start it off I say, this are for every pagan we have them ready hype and Vybz Kartel, king of the dancehall, crown and throne. Because a little vibes and little addy it belongs to. And them have to fight over it, 100. You see me? So I just say it there. So one of them I say, effing lonely on top of the hill. The man been a tell you no. I'm just talking full of talk is cheap if you don't got power. And him signed to Def Jam, a old record label. Well, where them don't lose out, they're not strong and wealthy. A Jay-Z them pass them. If Masicka did sign to Def Jam in the 90s, then that was a thing to celebrate. But Def Jam, I want to you. If it was even the early 2000s, then we would applaud him much very well. But him talk is cheap. So you talk about on top of the hill. And some lyrics them talk about. See there? Mosquito goat, a crocodile fool, him dance na bumbo clot. But you this teacher, you can't turn no goat boy. Yeah? I true what the Mosquito song I play, you know, the algorithm set it on the Mosquito fans them. And show me this him regular, they make me get it. You see me? This is Vybz Kartel, exactly. See there? Who God bless, no man curse. A Vybz Kartel. You see me? God is the greatest. That alone show you say a cartel thing too. You see me? Prince Naphtali. Capricorn type shit. Cartel a Capricorn. So a cartel that, you see me? Yeah man, Capricorn. You get what me I say? Sealer, that is a next bumbuckler thing. When we find a comment there and like it, the universe a show me because goat represent Capricorn. Now so, yeah. Or something like so. Capricorn type shit. Yeah, I think the goat represent Capricorn is a goat sign too. No. Yeah man. You know what I say, yo? No, me I go back for my like. My spirit no feel like say me for left it. My spirit no feel for left my like with the 6, you know. Although big up squash still, free squash, you see me? Yeah man, free squash. But me I take back my like from Capricorn type shit. Cause me know so 100. My spirit me I work with, you see me? Spirit me I work with. Yes, I eat that still, you see me folks? I'm out of here. So every sign show you say a cartel. This thing here go for. You see me? Cause him have the crown and him them a wait for lose it. Him them a wait for lose it. You see me I say? Yeah. Nobody now pre Mosquito finna have nothing. Nobody now pre him. Him alone in him little world I say him a the goat. See him? And him a king and one bag of thing. You see me? Nobody not see him, bro. You see me? Some little ice